दोनों लोग हैं ना, और खत्म भर कर पंखा खोल दीजिए, पंखा खोल दीजिए। चलो बाबू। हाय अंकित, काम कर दीजिए। हेलो, हेलो।
Hi Rahul.
Yeah, hi Ankit, how are you?
I'm good. Rahul, can you hear
Can you
me?
introduce yourself? Ankit, please introduce yourself. Uh, you know, tell me like little bit about the technologies on which currently you are working on and the current project.
So myself Ankit. I'm from Gorakhpur and graduate from KNIT, Kamala Institute of Technology, Sultanpur, in 2019. After that, I joined Nestway as a ST1. Their Nestway was a rental platform, basically house rental platform. So there you can take the house rent and all. So there I was working in the finance team. So my role and responsibility was so basically to enhance the financial features. So I work on some feature like owner's security deposit and utility payment charges. And we also work in a team where we are remove our old CRM and we create our own internal CRM. You know. And after that, I moved to BharatPay. And in BharatPay, I was working as a ST1 in so BharatPay is a financial app where you can go and you can check multiple financial things like credit card, credit score, lending. You can take a loan. So I was mostly working in the lending team. So in lending team, I worked on product like create the credit card product and credit score, even the same as credit. And after that, uh, 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 I work on some couple of services to enhance the basically loan underwriting process. And after that, I left Marathe and I'm working in Airtel as a senior software engineer. Here, my responsibility is basically to like basically coding, uh, mentoring some like basically juniors and code reviews and ownership of multiple modules like Postpaid, Telemedia, Pacman and all. Yeah, that's it. You are on mute, Rahul.
So in BharatPay, you are working on the like payment system. So
Mhm.
how you
Yeah,
manage the multiple payment system or kind of at the same time?
yeah. So multiple payment system basically in BharatPay. So we have basically there is different team. So one is basically payment team and we are the lending team. So we have the payment system like we use UPI, net banking, and even we create our own internal gateway, payment gateway, where we can basically do the payment stuff. So backed by Pay and all. So that I am not able to understand what you're trying to ask.
So basically, suppose at a particular like millisecond, in 1 millisecond, you are getting
Mhm.
10 requests at a time. How
Mhm.
you handle that load?
So we have distributed services and all. We have so uh, we have distributed our services and we also have like what are the read value things we put as a caching. So we use Redis cache. So that enhance our speed and also and in our payment services we use internally what the FQDN, sorry, the call is not HTTP. For internal service call, we use Google, I forgot the name.
So what is CDN?
Not FQDN. So basically for internal call, we don't use the REST call. So HTTP, we don't use the HTTP call. We use the Google one very famous request. So we create protobuf and we use that. Mhm.
So what is CDN?
CDN is basically content delivery network. So
Okay.
basically, let's suppose we have a lot of images and we want to populate. So we don't put in our DB. So we put, so basically there are some CDN provider like Akamai and all. So what they do, they basically they take the data, we upload there, and we just store the link in our DB. And next time when basically the user requests that, and at first it will go to our DB, then it will render to the page, and after rendering the page, it will fetch the details from the CDN networks.
So suppose you are working in you, you are currently in like India, okay, and some images you are posted on the CDN,
So
and
it
some
will
other guy
upload
is
in
also
across
using.
all the networks. So basically CDNs are the networks where they are available in every countries like US, India and all. And in India, they have a lot of different data centers, like in maybe in the Delhi, then Bangalore, then Mumbai region. So when next time when the user fetch the details, so it will go to the nearest CDN and it will fetch the details. And they also have the syncing, like how to sync and all, syncing also.
No, so basically my question is like two-person on two
Mhm.
different places using the same website at the same time.
Mhm.
Okay. So how CDN will work?
Okay. So like let's suppose two other different location, then the first user will go to the different CDN network, and the second will go to the different CDN network.
Which is nearby.
Yeah, nearby.
Okay. Fine. And have you used the authorization part?
Yeah, I have used that.
Okay. So how you handle the authorization?
So authorization, basically, what we do, basically we use some kind of hashing. So let's suppose you are a user, and basically we have one profile user and we have another kind of token. Like I'm not telling what is the thing. Okay. So we have another table where we put, like let's suppose you are going to log in, then we create one record and we generate one token, and in the
Okay.
token what we do, uh, 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 yeah, so in the token what we do, next time when we come to our site, we have the interceptors. In the interceptor layer, we just basically validate, like this is a merchant ID and this is a token. If the token is active in our DB, then we can say that you are authorized for that. Otherwise, the interceptor reject the call.
So suppose a user is like logged in, okay,
Mhm,
a token is generated.
mhm,
So after some time the token will expire. So
mhm,
how we will regenerate the token? Which what is the mechanism for that? Will
mhm.
it make a different call to get the token, or it automatically generate a token and append it in the existing one, replace with the existing one? How it works?
Mm. So mostly we don't expire usually the token in a way. So basically, let's suppose if you are login. So basically, we have the time slot updated, and if it is, let's suppose the date is 30 days, and if you're not logged in within 30 days, then we can say like the token is expired. But if you're logged in our device, so we update the date, and there is a one cron that check basically key, the updated date and my current date is the difference. What is the difference? And if my token is expired, then you have to log in. So
Have
we
you
don't
used
have.
okay,
Hmm?
have you used JWT token?
No, never. It is not JWT. So basically, we have our own uh, internal login and hashing and all logic. So we don't use JWT.
So in your current project, what is the tech stack?
So in here Ether, we use Spring Boot,
Okay.
and for DB we use MongoDB and Oracle and all. in Bharat Pay, we were using Spring Boot and MySQL, so transactional DB.
Okay, so Ankit, I have shared you one link. Just open it and please share your screen.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, okay. You want to use C++?
Yeah.
The string. Uh, okay. So this is the string, and you need to find the maximum of substring which is repeating. So if you see here, ABC, again ABC, okay, so it is coming twice. So the longest string is repeating string is ABC, and its count is 2. So you need to read, the output will be ABC, and it will print as 2.
Okay. So it should be continuous.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically,
Okay, or you can just do like if what is the repeated string, you need to just give us the string name. So like here ABC returning is getting twice, so you need to return ABC. That's fine. So the output will be ABC. Okay. Suppose so here output will be ABC.
yeah.
So
So
the string is like that. The output will be V because V is repeated. है ना? So what is the longest repeated string? You need to return it as an output. Question is clear to you?
yeah. So I'm just thinking, let's suppose if my so in this case, what will be the answer? ABC, ABC, B, 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 A, B, A, B, A.
ABC, ABC, VB, AB. So here it will be AB.
Okay, okay, okay. ठीक है
So what will be your approach for this problem statement?
I'm thinking like that. Basically, what I will do, I'll just basically store in hash map
Hmm.
and the next time it will come, then I will check it is present in hash map or not. But that can next time. In this case, this can be an answer, but other. Hi, Rahul.
Yes.
Yes, so I'm thinking, so basically what I will do, I will just use a hash map,
Okay.
and I will store the basically the string character and the index of the character.
Okay.
And I will iterate basically if my character is exist or not. Okay, so if it does not exist in my hash map, then I will just insert in, and if it is basically exist, then I will just use another loop, and I will iterate the next pointers to my current next pointers.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and if they are basically, I will go to the maximum length and I will just return that.
Okay. So what will
Yeah,
your complexity?
complexity will be order of n. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Okay, so you can start.
Else. suppose. First year. This yes. Plus one. Y minus plus two. And so and so I put is A, B, C. Yeah, yeah. They would have put less than half. And to that STR J is not equals to this A, taken. Then after S taken, MP of STR Hello.
Yes.
So are you here?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. This compile and we don't find. No matching method to call friend. We don't find.
This is line number 11.
Line number
11.
Yes. So it's not getting that find method. This wouldn't be a case. No, find. Uh,
Acha, Ankit, what is the difference between var and jar file?
okay. So basically, var and jar file. Basically, both the compiled file, but they have the different like compiling techniques. So basically, if you do the actually, I have to do that. But what I know ki basically though both are uh, different techniques to compile the codes. And in war, jar basically we use mven clean install, but I have to check that.
Okay,
I
fine.
don't know.
No issues.
Yeah.
So are you using Maven for your configuration?
Mhm.
Are you using Maven?
Yeah, we use Maven and we use jar. So basically one product we have so we use one service where we use wire. So basically
Hmm.
that was the Spring MVC. So that there we use wire. But
So
I
you
have to
use
check.
Spring or Spring Boot?
So mostly in our all project we use Spring Boot, but there is one product we have use Spring MVC. So there we use Spring War as a comparator.
So what additional benefit we get in Spring Boot over Spring?
So Spring basically the old, and to do everything we have to create like for like create one API we have to do a lot of stuff. But Spring Boot is a basically bootstrap over Spring. So we
Okay.
just have to use one annotation and that is done. Everything.
Okay.
Yeah. But here I think there has a one find method, but I'm not able to know why it is not taking.
Okay. No issues. No issues.
So
Okay. So let's move to another problem statement.
so did you get that? What I'm trying to do that here?
Yeah, I get your approach. That's fine.
Hmm.
Okay, so next question is like you have an array. Okay, array of a string.
Mm-hmm.
And you have a flower. Okay. So what will be the output?
Oh, the common words.
Yes. So you need to find the maximum common word from the string.
Okay. So we can use try here. So try is the best suitable data structure. So we can
So
create
question
one
is
try.
clear. So in an array of elements,
Mhm.
okay, which is a form of string, we
Mhm.
need to find the maximum common precedence.
Yeah. So what I'm saying, we can use try. Try
Okay.
data structure is basically the best suitable answer
Mhm.
for here. So we
Okay.
can create try. So it will start from FLOWER first case, and
Mhm.
after R it is the end case. Then after next time it will go FLOW, and W is the end for this character.
Mhm.
And next time FLOW there is one branch N,
Mhm.
and where N is the next, and next time after ending all the loop we just iterate and we just get the first ending element, that is our the string.
So what will the complexity?
It will be order of n cross maximum. So basically to inserting in try, it will take n cross
Okay.
like what is the size of the maximum size of the string.
Okay. Can you write a code?
Yeah, I can write that, but I'm thinking can do in a different way. If I'm not in that. Okay. Okay, I'll do a try.
Okay.
So what I will do, stop. So I'm using Java for this.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So class try.
I think you need to change the C++ to Java and comment the above part.
Okay. Class main. Try. Maybe I can use this. I can use my chat. End of word. So can you write the string? What was the string? Array.
Yeah, you can just use flower, flow, and flown.
I will copy that. If I take a try, try I can do in different ways. The try is a good solution, but I can also do in different way. So
Okay.
that is an easy one.
Okay. Okay.
So what I will do, I'll just take the first string,
Hmm.
and in the first string, I will iterate in the all basically string. Okay. And I will start removing, like in the first string, I will start with my first character and I will remove from every.
Okay.
So first I will remove F, then it will be LOW, then LOWN. Then next time I will start L and I will remove L. And
Hmm.
where the any basically the element is not matching that element, then I will just have that. Like let's suppose if my this string is empty, finished, then I'll from there I'll just return the string FLOW.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah. So that can also be one solution.
Okay.
So try is little bit complex, but this is a very good solution. But I will go with this one.
Fine. Fine. So you can change the way to get the desired output.
Yeah. So what I will do just and start the ARR. Size. So and this ARR count. Yeah, actually I'm mixing. Yeah, I think this is done. Let me just
Okay.
dot get 0 9 9 9. Yes, please. For I bring command after that yeah, I think this.
So can you run this code?
Stop string ARR. List.
So here S will be string. String S will be capital, na?
Capital, yeah. Sorry.
String S.
Did you get the logic what I'm trying to do here?
Logic is clear to me. I have a doubt at one place on line number 23. So you are getting the array of the inner element. So you are getting the size and then you are checking with I, or you are checking a dot get 0 get I equals a dot gets 0.
So what I'm doing, I'm just checking basically my first character. Let's suppose if I'm on O and here I'm on O. Okay. So these character, if it is not equal, then I'll just break the loop.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll just return these strings. I'll just added these string, and this will be my answer.
False. Okay, fine. I'll run this program separately. Okay, Ankit, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, Rahul, just can you brief about yourself?
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, I'm just asking, like, can you brief, like, what you work and how you work and all? Can you brief about yourself?
Your voice is breaking.
I'm asking, can you brief about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Rahul Thakur and I'm having like 8 years of experience and I'm working as a full stack developer. And back in tech, I worked on the Scala, PHP and the Node.js along with Java. And database, I worked on MongoDB, MySQL, NoSQL, and the Postgres. So this database I worked on. And, currently, I'm associated with the interview panel of the with the dash hai. That's it.
Okay, so you're not the part of the team.
No, we are not part of the team. We are kind of like interview panels we have. Just take the first round of interview for the company on the company behalf, and the next round will be done by the company's employee itself.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, Rahul.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
see
bye.
you too.